We begin our coverage with the coronavirus. And of course, just days until the new year, health officials answering the question of whether or not you should cancel your holiday gathering. Also, new comments from the CDC director raising questions about the accuracy of some of those COVID tests. We're learning you could test positive for up to 12 weeks. Correspondent Brian Entin standing by with details on that and test kit shortages in Florida. But first, we start with the latest pandemic headlines. Many states seeing a surge in new infections, especially these 5 states on your screen, all of them seeing some of the most new cases at any point during the pandemic, up more than 500% in Georgia, Louisiana, Hawaii, Florida, and Washington, D.C. The daily average of new cases nationwide up 267,000. The U.S. actually set 2 records this week for the highest number of new cases in a single day. That is 512,000. Now, keep in mind the numbers may be even higher because some Americans tell us they just can't find a test. So we turn now to News Nation's Brian Entin. Brian, I'm guessing finding a test in Florida right now, also not easy based on the lines there.
Yeah, it's difficult to find a test, Nicole, and the lines have been very, very long. Take a look. This is a park just outside Miami, and you can see the lines just snake around and around and around. And it reminds me of like when you're at a theme park waiting in line and you feel like you're never going to get to the ride as the line just goes around all different kinds of bends. That's what's happening here. And even when you get out of this parking lot, look over here, Nicole, it goes all the way around the park. You're not even near where the testing site is until you get all the way on the other side. The wait times here can be 3, 4, even 5 hours. From Miami to North Carolina to Chicago to pretty much everywhere in the United States, the COVID testing lines continue to be long, really long. What are your symptoms like?
I mean, they're not severe, but they're definitely something, and I don't want to get my family sick, so I came here to get tested.
We walked to the testing line in Miami and noticed lots and lots of families. Do you have symptoms?
Yeah, I have like a runny nose, that's about it. And like I cough sometimes, I sneeze, that's about it.
What about your mom?
Yeah, she has a little bit of headache, chills, cough. She got like all her bones hurt, so we gotta make sure for New Year's. The line here can take as long as 3 hours. With a testing shortage around the country, doctors say if you don't have symptoms, now is not the time to get a test. If you have symptoms, testing could be a good option to protect others.
If you're vaccinated and boosted and your family is vaccinated and boosted and your coworkers are vaccinated and boosted, I guess what's the big deal in terms of getting the test if you just got a stuffy nose?
Well, you may just have a stuffy nose from COVID, but you can still have folks around you that may not respond as well to both the vaccine and the booster. So, you have to be comfortable with knowing that one of your coworkers isn't necessarily immunocompromised and on, agents that decrease their immune system or on chemotherapy.
Dr. Kristen England with the Cleveland Clinic says what kind of test you get is also important, especially if you're retesting after you're positive. An at-home antigen test is best to retest because a PCR test can detect COVID long after you no longer are contagious.
We don't repeat a PCR test on patients, so I'm not going to be repeating that test on them because I know it can be positive for weeks out.
Got it.
Bottom line, regardless of what test you're getting, be prepared to wait.
The other times it was like 2-3 hours. This time we've been here for like maybe 30 minutes.
But you still have a long way to go, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so the line continues out here, and what's so crazy, Nicole, is this site is open 24 hours, so you can come out here at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and you will see a line of people waiting on a COVID test. It's important, what was mentioned there in the story, the PCR test, it can pick up COVID in your system for 12 weeks, maybe even more. So if you're feeling better after you tested positive, doctors say the antigen test is really the way to go if you're no longer symptomatic.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.